not the fastest, but insanely tasty and truly special bologna sandwich. Slice the tomato, cucumber, and onion into thin, even rounds. Cut the pickled cucumber into delicate, thin strips. They add a pleasant taste. Cut the bologna sausage into medium-thick slices. Not too thin, so the rich, meaty flavor stands out. In a heated pan, melt a bit of butter with a splash of sunflower oil. Add the sausage slices and bread slices. Fry on both sides until golden and lightly crispy. Once you flip the sausage, place a slice of American cheese on each piece. Let it begin to melt. When everything is ready, spread mayonnaise on one slice of bread. Spread honey mustard on the other. Add fresh salad leaves, then one slice of the hot sausage with melted cheese. On top of that, place the pickled cucumber strips, a few slices of onion, and fresh tomato rounds. Place the second slice of bread on top. Press gently to hold everything together. Slice diagonally to give it that cafe-style look. A fresh, sweet, and tangy sandwich with bold flavor. Definitely worth a try.